Greetings, officer. FiOth here, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest, most economic way to deal with lickers, even on hardcore. As you can see, I have my ink ribbons on, my standard knives, and I'm going to explain how you can do it. So the big mystery, the big secret here, is that you just go up to the liquor by walking, not running, and start knifing it. The animation of it getting knifed actually stun locks it. And if you position yourself perfectly from the side or from behind it, it has no chance of retaliating or surviving. Suffice it to say, you have to spam the shit out of the attack animation so you don't give it any breathing room, and you should also avoid attacking them when they are on walls. Here I'm actually luring it off the wall, but I make the mistake of knifing it from the front. It manages to take a step back and then attack me. I use one defensive knife and then I'm carrying a spare one to finish it off. For some reason, when you counterattack against lickers, the knife sticks and stays with them. This knife I was using was actually almost full, but I lost it in the process. I don't know why I wasn't able to retrieve it. Don't know if it's always like that with lickers, so pay attention so you don't actually have to expend your knives this way. When used appropriately, this technique will save you a ton of ammo, especially for speedruns, since you might want to take out a licker to make an area safer and you don't want to spend precious resources. Here, as you can see, I am positioned to the side of it. When the death throws start, it's done. You don't need to knife it anymore. The thing is dead. Here with Leon, I'm going to attempt something that's probably insane looking. This is the RPD. I came back from the sewers using the elevator, and there are two lickers here, not one but two. Let's see how this plays out. So here you're not dreaming, that's two lickers taken down by Mr. Leon here, using only a knife on hardcore. Each kill requires 25% of your knife on hardcore, so you see half a knife here that was initially full because I killed two of them. Always make sure you don't leave them any breathing room and attack from the rear or behind them, preferably where not on walls. I hope this helps, guys. I knew it would have helped me tremendously in my initial run. So sub, like, and share if it did. I'm covering everything I can get my hands on Resident Evil 2. Until next time, be well, stay frosty, and always strive for perfection. Cheers.